how do you find the role of the engineering side into the FinOps ecosystem? How do you think it develops, and what are the key factors so it's effective for the FinOps practice?
Yeah, no, it's a great question, and it touches on the fact that different people doing FinOps come from different backgrounds, right? Yours is a DevOps background. I'm a cloud solution architect. But lots of people I meet don't necessarily have the technical experience, right? They might be coming from a finance background, even a procurement background, or whatever it might be, even kind of licensing and other areas. And so for me, I wouldn't say I've got the DevOps experience, but I've certainly had the experience of trying to take recommendations and look to engineers to act on things. It becomes a trust issue, and that typically is, do you understand that the challenges around provisioning up infrastructure to support applications? Do you understand the process that has resulted in the decisions that we've ultimately made? Because you're challenging an engineer to say, well, we think maybe the decision was ultimately wrong, or that there's a more optimal way that you can do that. So that for me, it's more about almost a stakeholder management exercise in terms of developing trust, a level of understanding, a common understanding between those teams, before even then getting into the nitty-gritty about, well, how did I come up with this recommendation in the first place? What tooling, might I have used in order to make those recommendations? So partnerships, collaboration, developing trust in the first instance, before then getting to the actual, hey, let's have a conversation about why this instance type, or why this particular node type for a cluster, or whatever the kind of change may be. How does that reflect on your own experience, Victor?